So I am in need of a reset. I've been traveling so much the past few weeks and I've just been so busy. This is actually the first day that it's like completely slowed down in like 3 weeks for me. So we are gonna do a little reset routine. In all honesty, I do not have a reset routine. Today I'm just kind of making one and we're gonna go with it. And if I like it, then this will just be my new reset routine. So first things first, I'm gonna pick out an outfit. I wanna wear something comfy, that's for sure. I think I'm gonna wear these shorts that I have from Brandy. I wear these sweat shorts all the time. I also have them in sage green and gray. Let's pick out a tank top. I have all my tank tops in this little basket right here. I hate how all my shirts are so wrinkled because they're just like folded up all the time, but I don't have room to just keep all of my clothes hung up. So this is just gonna have to do until I get an apartment, which will be happening very soon. Should I just take a second to just announce it basically? I am currently in the process of looking for an apartment. You guys will be seeing lots of apartment videos coming up. I actually have some tours scheduled for tomorrow and I'm planning on making like a whole apartment tour video, so you guys will see that. Okay, I am dressed. This outfit is definitely not my best work, but the goal here is comfort, not cuteness. But about what I was saying, if you have any questions about like apartment stuff, you can comment them and I'll try to answer them in some of my apartment videos. Also make sure to subscribe if you want so you can see all of the fun apartment vlogs. I think the next thing I want to do is some laundry. About to do multiple loads of laundry at once, which is very exciting because I don't really get to do that living in a dorm just because there's like limited washers and dryers and stuff and I don't want to like take up too many. But today I get to because it's spring break and I'm here. Everyone else went home. I didn't go home just because I went home a couple weeks ago and I was there for like a week and I've just been traveling a lot and so it just wouldn't really make sense for me to go home this week. Also, this is a week that I can use to go on a lot of apartment tours, so that's nice. Just since this week is like pretty free. So I'm gonna start this load and then go upstairs, grab more clothes and then put those in. It is like pouring outside right now. I couldn't really see from my window, but it is like raining really hard. So today, not only am I like completely alone, it's also a super rainy and like gloomy day. So needless to say, I woke up in not the best mood, but we're turning it around today. Okay, I have my laundry ready to take the second load down. It's looking like I can only do 2 because I don't have that much detergent left. So I need to go get some more. Before I go down, I'm gonna grab a hoodie because I'm gonna go to the mailroom and pick up some packages that just came in. I am hoping that it's what I think it is because I am so excited about the thing that I ordered. I will unbox it for you guys, of course. I'm gonna go put in laundry, get a couple packages, and I will be back. Okay, I got one of the 2 packages. The more exciting one was delivered to a different mailroom on campus, so I can either go walk in the pouring rain to go get it or just wait until it gets brought over to my mailroom. I am tempted to just walk to the other one just because I've been waiting for this package for a while, but I think I'll wait a little bit. First of all, I got a paper-like screen protector. These are basically just for iPads to make them feel like matte and more like you're writing on paper with your Apple Pencil because it's kind of hard to like write on the glass screen of the iPad. I also got a case for the iPad. So this is an iPad mini case. I did get an iPad mini. I had been wanting it for so long and I finally decided to splurge and get it because I'll be using it a lot for YouTube and I like how small it is. It's just so portable. I can take it with me anywhere. I can literally hold it with one hand. This was not a purchase that I needed, that's for sure, but I really wanted it. So I thought long and hard about getting this because this is an expensive thing to just splurge on, but I really will use this so much. I think the size is just gonna be so convenient, especially since I travel a lot. Like this will be the perfect little like work device. I will unbox that later in this video. I'm also gonna be using it for like digital planning and stuff like that. So it will be part of my reset routine because I'm gonna use it to plan out this week and organize all like the tours I have scheduled. Now that I have my laundry in, I think I'm gonna clean up my room. I'm probably gonna throw on some music while I clean. I got this little speaker from Target the other day. It was originally $20 and it was on clearance for $6. Okay, I just went to go put some clothes in the dryer, and I also finished cleaning my room. It's looking real nice, very clean. I posted on Instagram this morning and I completely forgot. So now I'm going back and looking at all the comments, and they are so sweet. Also, since it is spring break and everybody like left pretty much, the dining hall at my dorm is closed. So we went to the grocery store and got some food for this week. I didn't get that much, honestly. I figured I could like eat out sometimes. Like, I just can't cook, and so I need stuff that I can just easily put together or like throw in the microwave or something. So don't judge my food selection. Okay, I got some bananas. I also got these veggie and flaxseed corn tortilla chips, and then I got some tomato and basil hummus dip to go with it. I got bread. I got milk chocolate peanut butter cups. I also got this vegan banana bread, which I've already eaten over half of. I got some microwavable mac and cheese. I think that might actually be everything I got from Trader Joe's. I do have a lot of stuff already though. I have like a lot of snacks. I think what I'm gonna do after I eat this is go in the lounge and read. I just started A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. I've heard nothing but good things about it. I feel like this is a very important part of my reset routine that you wouldn't really think about. Starting a new book is really hard for me. Reading the beginning of books and like just getting into it when you don't really know the characters, you don't know like the story yet. I don't know if it's just me, but it's just like slower. I just finished Daisy Jones and the Six a few days ago. Very good book. Definitely not anything like too crazy. Like, it's more like character driven. There's no huge like plot twists or anything like that, but it's just a really cool story about a band in the 70s and how they came together and their life. My clothes are done in the dryer now, so I'm gonna go get those and put everything away, and then I'll go read in the lounge. Okay, it stopped raining for a bit, so I decided to grab my package. I am so excited. I will open it for you guys right now. Okay, I finally have my iPad, so I'm gonna open it right now. This is so exciting. I've been waiting for this for a while. Here is the iPad. Oh my gosh. It's so small. It's the size of my hand. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. We have the charger. Okay, I'm not taking this off of it yet because I'm gonna put on the screen protector and I'm just nervous. I like putting the screen protector on first thing so that way there's not even a chance that there's gonna be fingerprints on it. So I'm gonna watch a video and do that right now. Okay, I set it up and I put the case on it. This case is from Amazon, I'll link it below. I think I'm gonna customize it and download all of my apps at some point today and update you guys when that's finished. I think I might save that for later though. It's starting to get a little bit sunny outside. It'll definitely rain later, but right now, since it's getting like a little bit better, I think I'm gonna go run to Target and put gas in my car. Since I have some apartment tours tomorrow, I need gas to be able to drive to them, obviously. And then I need a few things at Target too. So I'm gonna put on some warmer clothes and then go do that. Okay, I am about to leave to get some things. Oh my gosh. I'm just getting like necessities, basically, just things that are gonna set me up for the month. I need like trash bags, I need detergent, just random little stuff like that. I don't know if there's anything else. And they have a Starbucks in the Target that I'm going to, so we'll see if they have the drink that I get. Sometimes they don't have it, so if they have it, that's a sign that I need to get Starbucks today. I don't make the rules. Back in the car. Before I get gas, I have to do a haul. I just have to. Again, I don't make the rules. Of course, I had to get my strawberry acai lemonade, light ice, no berries, and pumpkin bread, not warm. They made it really good today. Very boring Target haul coming up. Medium trash bags, Tide to Go stick, laundry detergent, and last but not least, I got setting spray. That is all I got from Target. Anyways, I'm gonna go get gas. Let's hope the Costco gas line is not a million miles long. Crossing my fingers. Okay, I'm back from Target. I'm gonna put all my stuff away. I was getting a little like anxious and stressed earlier for some reason, so I was like, I need to just take a break, leave my room, go do something else for a bit, get outside. It's been a pretty good day so far. I'm honestly very proud of myself because I thought that today was gonna be really hard. I was very, very, very anxious about just being by myself all day and like the dining hall being closed and stuff, and like I was just scared that I was gonna have like a really hard day, but I just didn't, and that's great. So I'm really happy about that. I'm also very happy with everything that I got done. Like my room is really clean. I just need to throw away like some trash from the iPad and stuff. Going to Target and getting gas for the week was really important, so I'm glad I got that done. I'm just gonna take a little bit to just relax and decompress, and I'll update you guys later.